All right, so it's been a little while since I did a video, so I thought I'd update you guys. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and watch these videos. There's lots of tutorials on passive solar greenhouses, aquaponic mushrooms, and lots of stuff like that. So the greenhouse is buttoned up for the winter. And outside we got, wow, almost 80 degrees. It looks like about 78 outside. Let's go into the little oases. Ah, beautiful. Just gorgeous. There's my banana tree. This mint is like exploding. That's actually a biofilter here that I grow mint inside of. This was a tomato plant that just sprung up on its own. I think it's a tomato plant. Yeah, it is a tomato plant. Anyways, it just popped up. I didn't plant any seeds here. This is my composting bed. I'll be growing some mushrooms in here soon. This is just filled with straw. And I'll be adding some wood chips to this. And then adding some wine cap mushrooms. This is just an old mulberry bush that I keep trimming back. All right, we got some grass. And I planted some tiny tomatoes in here that should be growing pretty soon. There's a shot of the fish tank. What's interesting about this design is you can see that the water is low, but since it's run by air, the fish are fine because there's so much oxygen in the water. You can see I can grow algae and everything with no problem. But the fish are happy, they're swimming around, and I'm gonna need to add some water today. I haven't been out here for a little while. And that is pretty much it. We're up to 90 degrees in here. It feels great in here. It's nice and cozy when it's so cold outside. And hopefully these tomatoes will spring up here soon. And the vents are closed. That one's open up a little bit. And that's all I got for today. Please subscribe and share, and I'll talk to you guys soon.